Welcome to this video on the latest news in generative AI. In this video, we'll be taking a look at some of the most exciting developments in this field over the past few months. From language generation to AI-generated art, we'll cover it all. So if you're interested in the cutting edge of AI research, keep watching. First, let's briefly go over what generative AI is. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that uses machine learning to generate new data that is similar to the data it was trained on. This can include things like images, text, and even music. Now, over the past few months, there have been several exciting developments in this field, and here are some of the highlights. Language generation. There have been several new models developed for language generation, which allow machines to generate complex text that is similar to what a human might write. One of the most impressive examples is the GPT-3 model, which has been able to generate everything from news articles to poetry. Image and video generation. There have also been several new models developed for generating images and videos. These models use complex algorithms to create new visuals that are often incredibly realistic. For example, researchers at NVIDIA have created a model that can generate images of people that are so lifelike, it's often difficult to tell them apart from real photos. Deepfakes. Deepfakes are a type of generative AI that are designed to create fake videos of people by superimposing their faces onto other people's bodies. While this technology can be used for harmless fun, there are concerns that it could also be used for malicious purposes, such as creating fake news or spreading propaganda. Creative applications. In addition to the more practical applications of generative AI, researchers have also been exploring some of the more creative possibilities of this technology. For example, there have been several experiments in using generative AI to create music, with some models even able to generate new songs in specific genres. Healthcare and medical research. Generative AI is being used in healthcare and medical research to unlock new insights and make advances in treatments and diagnosis. Cancer treatment is one area where generative AI is making a big impact. In particular, researchers have been using generative models to generate new drugs that can be used to target cancer cells. By using deep learning algorithms, these models can create and test thousands of potential drugs in a fraction of the time it would take a human to do the same. In addition to drug development, generative AI is also being used in medical imaging to improve diagnosis. For example, generative models can be used to create 3D images of organs, which can help doctors to better identify and treat conditions such as tumors or other abnormalities. AI-generated art and media. Artists and creatives are also exploring the possibilities of generative AI, using the technology to create new forms of art and media. One example is AI Dungeon, which is a text-based adventure game that generates new stories based on input from the player. AI-generated content creation. Generative AI is being used to create everything from new recipes to fashion designs. In the world of advertising, generative AI is being used to generate ad copy and images that are tailored to individual audiences. Overall, the field of generative AI is rapidly evolving, and there's no doubt that we'll continue to see exciting developments in the months and years to come. Thanks for watching this video on the latest news in generative AI. We hope that you found it informative and engaging. If you'd like to learn more about any of the topics we covered in this video, be sure to check out our other videos. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. Slan.